Welcome to another episode here on Your Digital Makeover. My name is Jerry Colbert, and in today's episode, we're going to be talking about scheduling transactions right here on YNAB. And it's all coming up next. So in today's episode, it's going to be another quick one for you all, but I did want to go over scheduling transactions inside of YNAB. So a lot of times you might have reoccurring transactions and you might want to have them repeating, maybe once every couple weeks or once a month or maybe once every 3 months or what have you, whatever bill that might be. Maybe it's rent, maybe it's a water bill, and you don't want to have to, remember to type it in. So if it's a scheduled transaction that happens on a certain date, why not just go ahead and enter it into your account that you pay off of for that item, whether that be your checking account, whether that be your credit card or what have you, right? So a real easy way to do so is, let's say I was going to pay my electric bill every month on the 17th, right? Well, I can go in here to the credit card I'm going to use, and I can schedule that by simply clicking Add Transaction, picking the 17th, and then I'm going to go ahead and put in the electric company. So we'll just call it electric company, but you call it whatever your electric company's name is. And then I'm going to assign it to the electric account, and the electric is $149 typically. Now, all you have to do now is just hit save. Now, if you notice here, you see the regular transactions here, but now you see this grayed area. This is a scheduled transaction in the future, okay? So now, once that day arrives, this will automatically pop in to your day's view here, and it'll have a little mark next to it signifying that you need to either enter it all the way or perhaps move it to another day. So let me just show you what that looks like. Now we're going to pretend that we are that the electric bill is due today, okay? And we hit save. And you see how this comes in? It'll come in here just like this when it's due that day. So if the 17th actually arrived that day, it would pop into your view looking like this. It's black, really bold. It's got this little information icon, right? And so now what it's trying to tell you is say, hey, are you going to pay this bill today? This is kind of a reminder for you. So you go, oh yeah, I got the electric bill, right? And if you notice over here in the accounts, you see that little dot there, right? That dot will appear anything that's coming into your transactions like here that needs your attention, whether that be a linked account that you have being brought in or a situation like scheduled transactions that you need to make some sort of action on. So you say, hey, the electric bill's due today. Okay, I can go pay that, and you go to your website or what have you and pay the electric bill, right? Once you've done that, all you do is click on that little button right there and hit Approve Transaction. Now it's been entered into your transactions, okay? Another thing you can do is, let's say your electric bill is due on the 17th, right? But you got some extra money in, so you want to go ahead and pay it now. All you have to do is just move it to the day that you're doing it on, which is the 11th as of this recording, and it just automatically pops in here. Another thing is, you're saying, well, I'm paying it today, but actually my bill wasn't $149. It was only $145 this month. So I can just go ahead and enter that in there real quick and hit enter, and now it's entered in my check register, just like that. Just that simple. Scheduling transactions is very helpful in several reasons. Now, let me show you one other thing here. Let's say I had this scheduled into the future. Now, if you go over here to your budget and you go down to find your electric, wherever it's at, there it is. All right, so there's your electric item. Now, as you see here, right here, it shows me I have one upcoming transaction of $145, and after that transaction, it's left $5. So this is a kind of like a cool little feature that YNAB has, where you can, when you schedule your transactions in there, it'll show in there what transaction is coming up next. And if you click on that, it'll show you this is the transaction out of the credit card account. Pretty cool, huh? So that is pretty much what I wanted to show you on this scheduling transactions. I hope you all enjoyed this episode, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button right down below. And if you want to see more of these episodes in the near future, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. And with that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you next episode. Take care.